In this video, we're going to cover how to call a Python module function with a string and not typing in the actual name. And so this allows you to more dynamically control what's happening in a program. And the surprising answer, and I had never had to do this before, is getattr, get attribute. And so it allows you to get the attribute of a module. So here I'm importing datetime, and I'm grabbing the datetime function as an attribute of the datetime module, and then I'm calling that with a date in it, 2022, October the 2nd, and sure enough, it calls the function just like normal. But what if I want to grab a function in the current module? Because you can't, how do you get attribute on yourself? Well, what you have to do is you have to use locals, which gives you a list of the local space, and then you can, it's a dictionary, and so here I defined the function moo, and I look in locals, and I look for the string moo, and I call it, and sure enough, moo. All right, but let's take it all the way. What if I want to grab the module dynamically also? I don't want to predetermine that module. I want to import it dynamically. Well, they have a whole module for this called importlib, import library. So here you can call importlib with import module, and I'm going to import the time module. And then on that time module, I'm going to grab sleep, which is the sleep function. And then I'm going to go through and I'm going to call that function with 0.2 seconds and then woke back up. And sure enough, if we run it, it's going to go to sleep. It's going to call it dynamically and then wake back up. So that's it. That's how you dynamically call or grab functions and modules and call them, and also functions within the local environment. Hope you learned something. Hit that like button down below so I can build an audience, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next video.